Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we will discuss how to navigate between screens in Power App Canvas app. Navigation means moving from one screen to another screen inside the application. So this is our blank canvas app. This is screen 1. Now I will insert a label here and set the text as screen 1 so that we can easily identify the screen. After that I will insert a button. Now insert a button and change the text as next. Now I want to add two more screen. So now we have screen 1, screen 2 and screen 3. Now go to the screen 2 and insert a label. Change the text as screen 2. Now go to the screen 3 and insert a label. Change the text as screen 3. Now go back to the screen 2. Here I will insert two buttons. The first button text is next and the second button text is previous. Now go back to the screen 3 and I want to add a one more button here and change the text as previous. Now go back to the screen 1 and select the button. Go to the on select property, remove the existing one and add this. The navigate function is used to move from one screen to another screen in Power App. Here, screen 2 is the target screen where we want to navigate, and screen transition dot cover adds a transition animation while switching screen. Now go to the screen 2. First select the next button, then go to the on select property and remove the existing one and add this formula. This means when we click the button on the screen 2, it will navigate to the screen 3. Now select the previous button and again go to the on select property, remove the existing one and add this formula. This means when we click this previous button, it will navigate back to the screen 1. Now go to the screen 3 and click on the previous button and then go to the on select property, remove the existing one and add this formula. So this will navigate back to the screen 2. First select the screen 1. Now preview the app. So when I click this next button on the screen 1, it will navigate to the screen 2, and if I click on the previous button, it will navigate back to the screen 1. Now click on the next button and on the screen 2, if I click on the next button, it will navigate to the screen 3, and if I click on the previous button, it will again navigate back to the screen 2. So in this video, we covered how to navigate between different screens in Power App Canvas app using the navigate function. Thanks for watching.